Experiment 19. So many liquids, so little time. Tools needed from kit: 1 beaker, 1 dropper, purple litmus strips. Directions: choose 3 liquids that you have collected from home. The 3 liquids that I have chose are lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and vanilla extract. Step 2. Pour a little of each liquid into 3 different cups. Set the 3 cups aside. Step 4. Put the litmus paper strips that you made in Experiment 18 onto the paper plate. Step 5. Get a little bit of one of your liquids into your dropper. We're going to start with the lemon juice first. Just need a little bit in your dropper. We're going to put it right onto our litmus paper. Do you see it changing colors? Now we're going to do the same with our apple cider vinegar. We're also going to do the same with our vanilla extract. Step 7. Wait and see if the strips change colors. Save your liquids in the cups for the next experiment. You should do this experiment in a well-lit room. Some liquids have nicer consistency and work better than others. Keep practicing.